Hey everyone, welcome back to my video. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel a flight on the Expedia mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Expedia app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the trips icon. Here you will see a list of all your upcoming and past bookings. Find the flight reservation you want to cancel and tap on that. This will open the flight details including departure time, airline and confirmation number. Scroll down and look for the cancel flight or change or cancel button. Tap on it and Expedia will show you the cancellation option and policy. Before canceling, take a moment to read the cancellation policy. Some flights are refundable while the others may be offer credit or charge a fee. If everything looks good, tap cancel this flight or confirm cancellation. Expedia will send you a confirmation email, and if you are eligible, a refund or flight credit will be proceed. And that's it. You have now cancelled your flight on the Expedia mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.